This is David's variation on the basic, which is really fun for the follower.
And for the leader.
Wie bist du, meine Jugend in mein Glück? Wie mein Herz bängt jetzt noch dir zurück? Meine süße Heim, wie lieb.
It's the swirl around that really is cool.
I think a lot of parts are cool. So it begins like a normal right foot basic for the leaders. And we're doing it close embrace, but the distance doesn't matter.
Well, doesn't it change things if we do it close embrace or far?
Yeah, it changes things.
So let's do it in close embrace. That's what we're teaching.
I want to show it in open.
Okay.
So when I walk outside, it'll be smaller in close embrace. Here, when she crosses, I don't change weight with her, which is unusual. Now instead, I walk straight through her. Trick with that step is you'll see at the cross, I subtract a step. So when she crosses, I do not step. If we just sketch it. Right here in the cross, you'll see that she crosses, but I don't. So that when she walks back on her right, I walk forward on my right. So for the leaders, if I'm the follower and I'm in this cross, when she goes back right, there's this channel, and you want to go forward through on your right through that channel. For the follower, since we're doing this close, for both, this is a small step, and then you keep your weight forward, forward, forward. Right here, after he walks forward, she walks back. I'm going to step around her with my left foot, and then back. And that around and back is a really cool step, because there's this sense of, and then, so you can have this little bit of a hover.
That is the fun part.
I did the wrong thing. One more time for me to do the right thing. And you can turn it more or less, so you can stay in camera or other details like that. Anything else?